want to talk about enemies of progress. So many people are actually enemies of progress without knowing. And how do you know if you're an enemy of progress? When somebody is achieving something successful in their life and that thing is paining you, you start feeling envious of those people's success. It shows that you are an enemy of progress. Do not be a stud in the wheel of progress in someone's life. Always be happy when something good is happening for someone. When you see someone is making it, always rejoice and say, let something like this affect you. Do not stand in the wheel of progress. Because do you know why? When you stand in the wheel of progress, it will cut you off. And that is what so many animals in the past became extinct, because they were standing in the wheel of progress. Do not stand in the wheel of progress of others. That is why I want to say in this video, if you're watching this video, always be someone that is happy when something good is happening to your fellow man. And as you are happy, that thing definitely will come towards you, because the law of attraction says positive attracts positive, negative will attract negative. If you are repelling people that are progressing, you will never progress in life. It's just a clear-cut information.